Do you have vertical ridges on your fingernails? And do you know why they appear? Our fingernails are not just for decoration. They are a mirror reflecting our overall health.
Many people do not realize that small changes on the nails can be signs of underlying health issues.
One common, but often overlooked sign is the appearance of vertical ridges on the fingernails.
Watching this video will help you understand the causes and natural ways to fix this condition.
Do you have vertical ridges on your fingernails? And do you know why they appear? A healthy nail is usually light pink, smooth, and free of spots or vertical ridges. When the body has issues, nails can change in color, shape, or surface texture. Vertical ridges extending from the base to the tip are one of the most common signs. There are three main causes for vertical ridges on the fingernails. These ridges are often a sign of nutritional deficiency, especially vitamin B12, linked to nervous system issues. When the body is stressed or lacks nutrients, nerve functions can decline, changing nail structure. Some main causes include: 1. Vitamin B12 and B-complex deficiency. B12 is crucial for a healthy nervous system and red blood cell production. Deficiency can lead to fatigue, memory loss, and vertical ridges on the nails.
Vegetarians or those eating few animal products are at higher risk of B12 deficiency.
2. Iron deficiency. Iron is essential for hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that transports oxygen. Without enough iron, the body cannot supply oxygen to cells, including those in the nails.
3. Stress and nervous system health. Prolonged stress can damage the nervous system.
Stress causes anxiety, insomnia, and digestive issues, leading to vertical ridges on the nails. Stress also reduces nutrient absorption and weakens the immune system. If you find this information useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health tips. To fix these ridges, you can apply natural solutions shared here. These measures not only improve nail condition, but also boost overall health. Solution 1. Use nutritional yeast. It is a great source of B12 and other B vitamins. Adding 2 tablespoons daily can help reduce stress and support healthy nail growth. You can add it to salads, soups, or roasted dishes to enhance flavor and nutrition. Solution 2. Stop using antacids. They can cause B12 deficiency by reducing absorption. Antacids and PPIs reduce the absorption of B12 from food. Instead, try apple cider vinegar to balance stomach acid and improve digestion.
Solution 3. Eat shellfish. They are a rich natural source of B12.
Eat shrimp, crab, or clams at least 3 times a week.
Blood cockles and clams are packed with B12 and essential minerals.
These nutrients help heal the nervous system and reverse the cause of ridges. Solution 4. Coconut oil for nail care. It is a natural moisturizer.
Use a nail file to smooth the surface, then apply coconut oil to hydrate and protect.
Solution 5. Eat salmon. It is rich in B12 and omega-3 fatty acids.
Eating salmon twice a week improves nail health and supports heart and brain function.
Solution 6. Supplement with methylcobalamin. It is an active, easily absorbed form of B12. For vegetarians, this is a great way to ensure you get enough B12.
Methylcobalamin helps heal nervous system disorders effectively.
Ridges are not just aging. They are signs of nutritional deficiency.
Focus on your diet, add necessary nutrients, and reduce stress to improve. Don't ignore small signs. Act early to protect your health and your families.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and live long.
Master your biology, optimize your life. Like, share, and subscribe to Biohack Protocol Lab. See you in the next protocol.